not that I don't want you here.
Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another video today, as you can see from the title down below. Today I'm just gonna show you all how to make care packages for the homeless during the winter time on a budget, and how you can make it a more affordable experience for you if you don't have like sponsors or have people that are willing to donate to the cause. So today I'm just going to show you all how I put together a care package. I may not go and show you all when I'm in the community because I really didn't want to make this video for those purposes. I just wanted to make the video so that everyone can know that you can have your hand in the community some way, somehow, and you can give to others, and it doesn't have to cost you a whole lot of money. You can do little things to make a big difference. Even if it doesn't seem like you're making a big impact, you are, by just doing something and just showing that you can be of service to others and you're just not a self-serving person. So yeah, so today I'm just going to show you all how I put together care packages, how where I get everything from and what I do. So I'm just going to jump straight into the video, not much explaining. So today I have my printer. I have my printer right here. I'll pull this over to the side. So I have my printer, and I'm just going to show you all what I'm going to be doing on my laptop. So let's see. I have my printer today. I have all the clothes that I got from Goodwill, and then also I have reusable baggies that I got from Amazon, and I'll put that link down in the description below. I made motivational cards just to keep them inspired and just let them know that things will get better. Don't give up, keep pushing through, and things will get better. I truly do believe that. So first of all, y'all, if you want to do something good for the community and give back in other ways, as far as like giving clothes, what I've realized is that you could go to the Goodwill and buy items. So what I did was I took it upon myself to just say, you know what, one day I woke up and I was like, you know what, I want to give back. I want to get back in the community, and I want to do this. So I went to Goodwill, and when I went to Goodwill, I decided to get jackets and hoodies because I know that it's about to get really cold in Atlanta. So I said, you know what, instead of just like doing like, you know, going out there and giving food or whatever, I wanted to make sure that I get items that you know, they may not have during the winter time. So I got all of these sweaters and hoodies, and they are so cozy. So what I tried to do is make sure I was getting ones that were really, really warm inside, and the ones that had, I wanted to make sure I had the ones that had a lot of fur inside of them so that they could be very warm. And I have some hoodies that are just like regular zip up hoodies. I have some that are a little more thicker than others. I just had to get what I could. The only thing is, the only downside about getting it from Goodwill, you have to get what you can get. But at the Goodwill that's near me, they had so many options. So yeah, I got like hoodies. It says like Carnival, you know, just did that. Got some more, and they are just really nice. So got all of this, and also what I did was, you can't forget the hoodie and not focus on how cold it's going to be, and how when we get cold, y'all know where you get cold, really, really cold first, in your hands. So what I did was I got a lot of different variety of gloves, different colors for men and women, and just fun colors, just like, you know, fun colors just to keep the moods up and the vibrations high when they're out there. So I got very, very bright colors. Didn't want to get dull colors. I believe I got like maybe one black and one brown, but everything else is really high vibrational colors. So yeah, y'all, so that's what I'm gonna do today. So when I went to go and get the hoodies, I ended up spending, with the hoodies and the gloves, I believe about $80 or $78. And yeah, I got only 12. So today I'm just gonna start off small and go in the community and give to 12 people. I don't really know the distributing process yet, but I believe I'm gonna go straight in the community and just go around and try to find people and just give them this these items. Also, I am gonna put a bag of water in there for them, and I'm gonna print off these cards so you all can see them. And yeah, let's see. And these are the reusable. I know I showed y'all the reusable bags, but there's so much space in them. Like, I'm gonna get up and show y'all. So look at that. Like, that is a lot of space, and it's reusable. So like, they can have this and tote this around, because I was like, okay, at first I didn't know what kind of black bags. Like, I was like, okay, should I just give the bags that you could throw away? But I was like, no, why not get reusable bags, and they could just carry this tote around whenever they just need to put stuff in there. And when I looked at the reviews, they were saying that they're pretty heavy duty, or they're a little thin, but you can put items in here. So yeah, these are the way the bags look. I got 2 of each color. So this is the brown. I believe this is purple. And then I have black, and then green. I really like the gray ones, gray. And I believe this is like a burgundy, yeah. So yeah, let me go and get this stuff to print out. And yeah, let me see. And after it prints, I'm gonna show y'all. So yes, y'all, I don't know, this is just something that I've always done this, like in little like moments, even when like running for stuff in college or stuff in high school. I always wanted to do something centered around community. So I don't know, this stuff kind of it brings me that, you know, that love and that completeness that you feel. So, you know, I just hope that this video encourages you to go out and continue to do the things that make you feel full and make you feel like, wow, this is what makes me come alive. Yeah, y'all, I'm printing it out now. Hopefully it works. Sometimes it try to act janky, but I believe in her. She gonna work today because she know we got a good day today. I know it's gonna come out good. And then this is what's going inside of the bags as well. Booyah, it's coming out, y'all. It's coming out. Bring them out, bring them out, bring them out. They look like, and they were designed by me. So it came from love. And it has a scripture up there. Please don't give up. So it says, but as for you, be strong and do not give up, for your work will be rewarded. 2 Chronicles 15 verse 7. And it says, please don't give up. Love, Crystal. So I mean, it's just the little things. I know it's not much, but I just want to add this in to their bags. Get my scissors. So what I'm gonna do is cut this up, and then y'all, okay y'all, so I'm just gonna continue to let those print out, and this is what it came out like when I cut them up. So yeah, I'm just gonna let the rest of those print. The printer is printing. So now I'm about to just go through, pick bags, pick the glove I want in what bag, and start packing them together and marking them male, female, size. So yeah, so stay tuned. It's probably gonna be sped up, but just want to let y'all know what I'm about to start so y'all will know.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views, feeling every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Around.
right, y'all, so I am done. I just labeled everything, put the tabs inside, just pretty much did everything, all the finished touches. I said in the beginning I had 12 bags, but I miscounted. I only have 10 items and 10 bags. So I have inside, I have a note. I showed you all the note that says please don't give up. I have a sweater for the winter time, or a jacket, or a hoodie. It's either or. Also, I have water bottles in there. I have gloves for their hands. And also, I'm going to go to the store and get like some snacks to throw in there, like some Lay's potato chips and just like some little things like granola bars and those type of things, so that they can have something. Just, you know, it's about making the small, like doing the small gestures can make a huge impact if you continue to focus on those areas of your life and what you want to improve. So this year, and just for the rest of my life, I just want to be able to do more service events like this, because they're always in my head. And I told myself this is the year of execution. We're just going to continue to do everything I prepped last year. So thank you all so much for tuning in. I hope this was a helpful how-to video for you all. And I just pray that you all can do the same thing in your communities. And just let me know your experience and comment down below what you went through and what you got and what you put in your bags. So yes, thank you all so much for tuning in. I love you all so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Happy New Year. Love you all. Bye.